Day 6, we are actually taking rest in this day 6. So today we are heading to Rushikonda beach again, like second time. And here are our jacket. This is my jacket, and this, and made them install this. So finally,
I enjoyed it to the max.
perfect. Everything went well. Hi guys, this is Kashim also Taridu, and how are you doing, guys? So this is day 6, and today is nothing but so as tomorrow is day 7, which means we are heading back to Hyderabad, Vizag to Hyderabad. So this day 6, we are actually taking rest in this day 6 because tomorrow we have to travel Vizag to Hyderabad. And so today we are heading to Rushikonda beach again, like second time. We went to Rushikonda beach on day 3. So, and all these days were really good days, and like we spent really good time, and it was really amazing time in Vizag state. And this is basically first long ride ever, and hoping to make many more long rides. So guys, let's check out our hotel room. Let's go. So guys, basically here is door entrance, and there's a key. So here's the bed, and basically this is not a big room like budget hotel. And here are my stuff, and there are my bag and camera box, and my Insta360 camera. And here are our luggage, and this rucksack bag is mine, and this bag is my friend's bag. And here are our jacket. This is my jacket, and this, and there's a jacket after this. Those two are friends' Mission March jersey and the jacket, and related to my friends. So here's my helmet, and here are our shoes. These two shoes are mine, and this shoe is my friend's shoes. And basically here's a bathroom. Is not that good, but medium looking bathroom, and overall room is like this. So as of now the room is pretty messed up. Really sorry for that. For some reason I could not show the room after we entered the room in the day 1. So basically the time right now is like 4:15, and now we are going to a short ride, as I said before. So in the night I'll be showing my friend, I'll introduce my friend in the night video. So let's go. So guys, we just started to Rushikonda beach, and before going to Rushikonda, we installed actually there is a service bike service center which is nearby our hotel, and I just made them install this. So finally, so I made them install this cushion seat. So let's get going, guys. Now the plan is, my friend actually already went out at 2:30 like that. He actually went to some temple. So right now the time is like 5:15 p.m. So So my friend is at some temple. I forgot that name of the temple. and I'm right now going to Rushikonda beach directly, and my friend told that he'll come to Rushikonda beach directly after completing visit at the temples. So guys, there you can see the beach, and still we are like 5.1 kilometers to go. Look at this car, guys. It's really hot car, the BMW car, pretty long car. Okay, the roads are really cool, guys, and beautiful and smooth roads. And coming to the traffic, it's a decent traffic. It's not less traffic, it's not high traffic. It's pretty decent traffic, decent amount of traffic. So guys, one thing I want to share, which is small thing but pretty impact. Nothing but as you saw the Aruko ride, if at all you didn't watch, please do watch Aruko vlog, guys. So what happened was, as the Aruko roads were really ghatty road, that was really zigzag road. So I was as I already learned cornering skills so far, but not perfect, but not pro in the cornering. Cut roads actually disturbed my confidence as well as disturbed my skills, but it actually disturbed half of the skills, which means the guards are really like that. As my personal feeling, the R15 won't suit for the ghatty roads. The cars or the ADV bikes are suitable for ghatty roads, as of my feeling. So guys, I forgot to say about the cushion seat, guys, as my friend given to me for this long ride. So just a short review about it. This seat actually feels little height, more than usual, and obviously feeling pretty much comfortable. And so guys, finally we made it to the Rushikonda beach. Oh god, it's so rush right here.
That's when I need tunes to keep on living, like someone's listening. I see the signs when I seek for the lights. I know.
2 hours later.
So guys, as you're seeing here, actually one of our friends are helping us in tying bags. So we are lucky about that. I'm really thanking them, and really thank you guys for that. And here is my bike and my bag. It's been tied by them, and it's tied perfectly. And here are they're tying my friend's bag.
Please cover my patta.
So guys, they are actually tied my bag, and actually mine and my friends. It is all set now and it's perfect. So and really thank you guys. Thank you.
Happy journey.
A few moments later.
So guys, what is up? So finally our trip came to an end. So basically right now we are able to sleep, and tomorrow morning we are heading to Hyderabad. And so trip came to an end finally, and this Vizag ride is really successful, and everything went well. And so here is our friend. So here's our friend. So let's ask him what he liked the most in the Vizag ride. So let's ask. So bro, what do you like the most in this whole Vizag ride?
So first and foremost, it's day wise. It has been my longest trip since road trip since, and it has been a week.
Yeah.
One day going, one day coming back, and 5 days in between. And I traveled all the 5 days. I hardly slept 3 hours, 3.5 hours per day, but I enjoyed it to the max. I visited all the place which I could physically in those 5 days. So for me it has been a superb ride, because for me, as I told you, I visited all the places, so it has been a very fulfilling ride. I don't think I have missed much. 90% places of these places I have covered. So I hope to come back again like 6-7 months down the road and cover everything else and every other places which have been left. Because as far as I can tell, even if you go and explore a place, there are still some places which are still left to be explored, which you have to come twice or thrice and explore all those places. So that is what I have felt up till now.
Oh. Okay, that's really nice review. So guys, I want to tell now about my experience. Basically, my plan is all about like only for Vizag and beaches. That's all, and nearby places in Vizag. So that's the thing. And later on, our friend Tushar bro actually have his own plans. So finally, I accepted his plans, and finally it's been like 7 days. That's the thing. And even like that, I enjoyed the like 7 days. So today is actually 6th day, and tomorrow is going to be 7th day. So fine, as you seen before, our friends who a friend of friend, they actually 2-3 members came here and packed our bags to our bikes, and they are actually travelers. There are also travelers who go like long riding and off-roading. They do. So they really helped us tying our bags. So that's the thing. So finally this trip came to an end, guys, and I'm really happy about this first long ride. So as of now I'm feeling happy and also a little bit sad because the trip came to an end. So honestly, this trip is really exciting and perfect. Everything went well. So that's the thing. So hoping many more long rides will be taking in future. That's the thing. So I'll be giving short review about this Vizag ride, about this Vizag ride in a other video. That's the thing, and please stay tuned for that. And so half of the room has been emptied as of now. You can see, There are shoes and the helmet and jackets. That's all. And our backpacks which we wear and like that. So that's all, guys. And it is perfect first long ride. Went really well. So that's it for you guys. That's all. And really thank you guys for watching the video. And if you like the video, please like button below, and please do like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this size. Ride safe and spread love and peace. Thank you.